Hey there guys, it's me, Eric again. I am currently on my way to Disneyland, and we're gonna be going to something big. It is about 6 a.m. by about right now, so this is the earliest I've ever been to Disneyland.
Looks the same.
Yeah, except the best part is there's no people here, and you can see it.
I'm right here.
Do you see the people?
I'm right here.
Oh yeah. Alex told me when we first met that the music doesn't start for about an hour and a half before the... Well, I just heard it start just now.
Alex was wrong on that one.
No, it's an hour and a half before the park opens. I think it opens at 8 today, so they just started the music just now, I think. Huh.
I think I've been playing music my whole life.
No, you haven't.
Merchandise that way.
Alex says... Oh wait, there's Alex.
Hi.
He's been suffering here all night because he got caught up in the line for merchandise.
I didn't even get to sleep. I was in bed ready to sleep when my friend called me up and said, "You better get down here." And that was at 11 p.m. So I came all the way down here and I've been stuck here ever since.
You poor man.
I'm so tired.
And he says, and Alex says that the whole park, is it the entire park or is it just a section of it?
Certain areas of the park, such as Main Street and Tomorrowland, are open for us, but the rides are not open.
Close enough. At least I get to have all this space to do whatever I want. This is also the first day that I'm gonna see the castle like this, and if you notice how there's trees planted down. Hi.
Let's get that energy going.
Thank you.
Far galaxy beyond. Oh, far away.
Thank you. I like her. She's fun. So if you look down the street, you'll see that there's trees planted in certain places. That's so it can hide the castle from view, which is why I can't see it right now. So right now I am not looking at the castle. I'm using my hat to make sure I don't see it, because I don't want to see it yet. Good morning.
Yeah, Eric wants to be surprised when he sees the castle.
Alex is my eyes, so...
That castle's so beautiful. Look at it, Eric, it's so beautiful.
I don't want to see it yet. I don't want to see it yet. Quit
How
trying...
close do you want to get before you actually look up and see it?
Maybe like... hub close?
The hub?
I guess so.
Do you want to wait till the park is open?
No.
Thank you.
I don't want to see it. Still looking away.
We should go to that side. That's Reservations? Merchandise. Down this way. Oh, okay, this way?
Okay, I think I can look now. Oh my stinking gosh.
Isn't it beautiful?
It is. Look at that, people. It looks a million times better than it did before. No offense to the old castle, though. And also, all the construction walls are gone from what Alex just said. He literally just said it.
I just said it.
They're all gone from the hub. I like the new bench arrangements right here. Now people won't be resting their bottoms on solid concrete like that one time I was watching Phantasmic.
This is just for this morning to prevent people from walking up onto the curb.
Oh yeah.
This morning they had us literally wait here on the street.
Sorry about how the camera work is so bad. I have a drink in my hand. It's... What time is it right now? Let me check. 6:30 in the morning?
6:30 in the morning. Oh, will they let us go over there to take pictures and video?
Maybe. I think they're gonna let us take pictures and once this tree gets out of my view. And oh my stinking gosh, look at how beautiful that is. She's so gorgeous. Oh, okay.
I'm just getting a good...
Okay, now I need to redo my model back home. If you guys don't know, I have a replica. Oh, hang on. In a minute, I'll get out my little telescope I have so that I can show you guys what it looks like up close.
Oh, that's cool. It's definitely very Sleeping Beauty. It's definitely got those like bright pinks and bright blues of hers.
Yeah.
Look at my cheese.
I love it.
Oh man, it's beautiful, Eric.
It's beautiful. Alex really wants to get his point across.
It's beautiful. It's a beautiful castle.
I agree with that.
It's so beautiful, it makes me angry.
We have fun here. You guys should feel bad for us because we suffered in order to get here early. Alex didn't get sleep for 2 days and I didn't get sleep for... Well, I did sleep, but it was only for 5 hours. So you guys should be appreciative of the lengths we're going for you guys. Alex just pointed out Justin Scard and Adam the Woo are over there. I can't wave because I got a coffee, because I got hot chocolate in my hands. Look at all the people. Wow.
I told you, this Twitter.
If you look right there where my fingers are, right.
I was asking for
If you look right there, that's Fresh Baked over there with Justin and Adam. I could see why Walt didn't want that gazebo in the middle there, because he wanted a gazebo right there, and it would have blocked the views of that castle down there. So I'm happy it's not there.
We ask that you walk to your next destination. We hope that today you'll be making memories that will last a lifetime. Thank you, and may you enjoy your day in this magical place called Disneyland.
Zippity-doo. Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-yay. My, oh my, what a wonderful day. Plenty of sunshine heading my way. Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-yay. Mr. Bluebird on my shoulder. It's a so zippity-doo. Everything is satisfaction. Zippity-doo, zippity-doo. Oh my, what a wonderful day. Plenty of sunshine heading my way. Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-yay, Mr. Bluebird on my shoulder. It's a true, it's actual, everything is satisfactual. Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-yay, wonderful feeling, wonderful day. Also, another guest that we have besides Alex is this guy.
Hi.
This is Kris from the legendary LMG Vids. That's what the L stands for in
Yes.
LMG Vids, legendary. He's gonna be with us for a special day today. Hey, I can see the castle from here.
And entering the frontier as it looked more than a century and a half ago.
Turn around.
This is my favorite part of the journey.
Can you see people
Around
down
every
there?
bend, there's natural beauty as far as the
Wow.
eye can see.
I can't see anything now.
You guys were trying to look at Star Wars Land. You missed the new awning area for Hungry Bear.
I saw it.
Land.
I like it.
There is a revered Indian shaman sharing his stories with those in the Great River Valley below.
Ow.
Oh, his skin is rough. That means like a giant hole right here.
I don't want to look at that.
He dreams of a whole new generation as it moved west into this great frontier.
I can't see the
Of
cabin
course,
anymore.
some of those dreams and the stories that went with them were pretty darn wild and downright unbelievable, like on Big Thunder Mountain.
Disgusting stuff in it will make a bunch of foam.
What? What kind of plant is that? Oh wait, I need my hat. It's like a red flag. I'm trying to focus on all kinds of stuff. I can't see anything back there. Oh, now I can. I can't focus on two things at once. The back of the castle got some love too, even though not very many people like the back.
It's got some bling bling.
Like my Nana. Bah. Seriously, why is Peter Pan so popular? I mean, so far I have 3 reasons why. 1, low capacity. 2, nostalgia, which I'm knocking that down because everyone says it. And then the final reason I have is simply because it's only one of 2 rides in Fantasyland that actually is in the air and not on the ground. Can you believe this is the front of the castle?
Not anymore.
It doesn't look as iconic as the front. I mean, as the back. I honestly wonder why they designed the castle like that. We met that guy once. I'm gonna have to get my... You guys have seen this before already. A good thing my phone has really good brightness. Everything for the last maybe hour or so, everything has been a walk-on. I love it so much. Look how empty it is right now. I'm not moving the camera, it's the structure that's moving. And it's cool to see this thing moving, but it's unsettling at the same time. I swear, I'm not moving the camera.